Jamaican walking butterfly, isn't it? It's a good look. It's a good look, isn't it? It's a good look. Jamaican walking butterfly. Somebody say a Batman, somebody say a butterfly. As it is right now, it's a bat fly or a fly bat or a butter bat or a fly butter. Today I was talking to a friend. I tell him say, oh, there's a joke in Jamaica. We call homeless men madmen. We don't really call them mentally ill. I must know they call them mentally ill. And there was a man, don't have a name. Excuse me language, but you have hood and you have hood. And if you are, don't go there with the thinking. Anyways, they call him Big Hood. And there was an English woman fly down from England, obviously. And she had drive through Soft Town and go see Big Hood penis. Yes, in penis big, that's why they call him Big Hood. The woman said, oh my God, what a waste. What a waste. Oh God, what a waste. Everybody in a taxi bus out and laugh. English woman want jump out of the car. She go wash up Big Hood and come back to England with her. Big up all our UK massive them. Hey, somebody else tell me say, then they are Jamaica back in the days and then see the same Big Hood man. And I say, oh my God, what is that? She shocked. This man is not a big penis man, but in creative is a big wing man. Big wing we call him. Anyways, as you can see, is a Jamaican video. I don't even know, just like a video from now, don't? Alright. In Jamaica, there's a girl called Pat. When I tell you, her hole is so big. See, a car drop in there, and now a bike man drop in there. Tell me now, why Pat hole so big? Wait, I want to go on this spot here. One car in a ditch, and him drop off in the ditch too. Ditch rather, boy, tongue twist. What is going on here? This a video, I be a job people a job. Don't laugh, you know. Don't laugh. God gonna see you. Da da dee da da da. Somebody gonna get hurt as a shot boss. Do not try this. Your legs are small. Listen with me as a shot. Don't do it. Charotted clot. Why shot boss everywhere? And why shot boss thinks that with film look at short legs them he could cross it. Nobody cannot cross it. Only who understand it can cross it. Cross it. You remember that? You remember it? Yeah man. What them up to now? Never pick up what you can manage. Watch ya. Let's watch it again. This is the reason why you do not mess with rum. Rum kill me mother, rum kill me father, rum kill me whole family. Scope on me clock, skilly bingo. Wap. Rum go wap in it. Hey, don't pick up where you can manage. This is the last video now. But I feel it. Hold it, Delroy. Hold it, Delroy. Hold it, Delroy. This look like a during Melissa when the country locked down and Ray boss can't go in yard go look for a woman. Soldier man there camp and lay down in their bed like him a watch. Scroll through his phone and look for adult content. What Ray boss do? Hold it, Delroy. Just hold it, Delroy. Do not trouble Miss Palm and our 5 daughters them. Leave that alone, brother. Where that I go? Dash with that. No, like your boss can't hold it. Hold it, Delroy. Delroy, hold it. Delroy, hold it. Delroy, hold it, Delroy, I play. I have to take that sword out. Thing has strike me. But as I watch him business or adult business on his phone, careful what me say. But I take up your rifle and take up your tissue and gone in the bathroom. Gonna squeeze in rifle. Anyways, if you get it, you get it. If you don't get it, you're too young for this channel. Respect for watching. I appreciate it, guys. You don't even know. Yeah, man. YouTube still a fight the channel, but me not stop because me love laugh, wanna love laugh, and this bring on a joy. And when me start our channel, I didn't want to do Jamaican news or touristy stuff. No, I wanted to do something we're gonna bring laughter to people, because after you come home from work, you're tired. Yo, life hard. Life stressing. And you don't want to take up your phone and go watch something that's gonna make you more stressed or depressed. So I say, yo, you know what? Big up Serpy, but me always watch Serpy. I big up Popeye, me always watch Popeye. And boy, sometimes when I don't watch me stress out. So I say I want to build a create a channel that's different. After you don't watch Serpy and Popeye, you come over here so can relieve your stress. Yeah, man. So respect for watching, respect for supporting, respect for sharing, and stay safe. God bless.